In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Suno AI song to YouTube. First, let's make sure you have your Suno AI song downloaded. The Suno AI platform typically provides you with a straightforward download option once your musical masterpiece is ready. So go ahead and download it to a location on your device where it's easily accessible. This ensures that when you're ready to upload, you won't be scrambling around trying to locate it. Now, an important step that we cannot overlook is checking Suno AI's licensing terms for distribution. This is crucial because it dictates where and how you can share your audio creation. You'll want to thoroughly read through their licensing agreements to make sure you adhere to all guidelines. Some licenses might allow for monetization, while others may have specific restrictions or requirements you need to meet in terms of credits or usage. This way, you avoid any potential copyright issues later on. With the licensing terms all clear, let's move on to logging into your YouTube account. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to YouTube's homepage. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the sign-in option. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Once logged in, it's time to head over and start the upload process. To upload your song as a video, click the Create button, usually represented by a camera icon with a plus sign. This is located in the top right of your YouTube page. You'll see an option to upload video. Go ahead and select that. Now, you'll be prompted to select the file you wish to upload. Remember where you saved your Suno AI song earlier? Navigate there and select the file. You can upload it as a simple audio file, but to make it more engaging, consider pairing it with a static image or a simple video loop. Now let's add some flair to your upload. This is where you'll enter the title, description, and tags. The title should be catchy yet descriptive enough to draw potential viewers in. Think about what would capture someone's interest and tell them exactly what they're about to experience. Under the description box, you'll want to provide additional information about the song. Maybe a brief backstory behind its creation or how you came to compose it with Suno AI. Tags are crucial for discoverability, so make sure you use relevant keywords that align with both your song's content and the audience you wish to reach. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to hit the Publish button. You can find this option at the bottom right of the upload page. That's it, you're done. Your Suno AI song is now live on YouTube and ready for the world to enjoy.